What if I told you that brushing your teeth with the opposite hand could actually grow new brain cells? Here's the reality. Your brain is aging faster if you're doing the same thing day in and day out without any variety. The good news, you can reverse this with something so simple, you might think that I'm making it up. What's actually happening in your brain when you do something different, even something as small as taking a different route to work or using your non-dominant hand, you activate neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to adapt and grow. And here's the magic. Novel experiences trigger the release of BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain. It supports the growth of new neurons, strengthens the communication between those neurons, and protects against cognitive decline. For years, we thought you couldn't grow new brain cells as an adult, but we now know that that is absolutely not true, especially in your memory center called the hippocampus. But here's the catch. Doing the same routine day after day is like walking the same path through a field. You create a worn trail, but nothing can really grow over there. Over time, those unused neural pathways weaken, and this process is called synaptic pruning. When you introduce variety or novelty, you're creating new pathways, something your brain doesn't expect. It makes your brain more adaptable, more resilient, and literally helping it grow. It's like a workout for your brain. The brain's need to make new connections to adapt to your new activity. And this could be foundational to cognitive longevity and protecting against dementia as we age. They are finding that the rates of dementia are increasing, so more and more people are going to have dementia, and it can start even as early as your 40s and 50s. So this leads me to your daily habit challenge. I want you to do one new thing today, and it doesn't have to even be anything super profound. Just a small switch in your daily routine can help your brain exercise and help it to grow new neurons. So, for example, when you brush your teeth in the morning, use your non-dominant hand. You could try taking a different way to work. So do some different things that just fit seamlessly into your routine. Take a different path for your walk. Park in a different spot than you normally do. Listen to some new music in a genre you never experienced. Try a new spice in your cooking. Try using your non-dominant hand for other tasks like stirring your coffee. And certainly you could go big time and try to learn a few words in a foreign language. Do something new today and pick something that fits easily into your routine so you don't have to think too hard about it. And then you can continue to pick new activities that continue to work your brain in different ways. From a functional medicine standpoint, one of the root causes of accelerated aging and chronic disease is neuroinflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. So when you keep your brains engaged, learning, and growing, we're actually reducing inflammation. BDNF that I mentioned earlier, which is like fertilizer for your brain, remember? It doesn't just come from novelty. There are other things that can affect it. So you also want to make sure that your lifestyle supports it. Things that decrease BDNF are stress, poor sleep, blood sugar dysregulation, and being sedentary. So things that raise it are exercise, especially strength training and aerobic training, omega-3, and good quality sleep. And then, of course, the daily habit challenge for today, novelty and learning. So if you want to protect your brain long term, it's not just about doing new things. It's about creating an environment where your brain can thrive. And today's daily habit challenge is free. It doesn't take a whole lot of effort, and you can start right now. So commit to your one new thing and drop it in the comments what you decided to do. I'd be interested to hear. I hope you found this helpful. Check out the description below. There are some free downloadables that you may find helpful. Please follow, subscribe, and share. Thanks for listening or watching, and have a fantastic day.